Did you know that one of golf's greatest players once took 6 putts from 3 feet away at the Masters? This is Ernie Els, 4-time major champion. They called him the Big Easy because golf looked so simple for him. But on April 7, 2016, at Augusta National, everything went wrong. Els stood over a routine 3-foot par putt on the first hole. Easy money for a legend like him. He missed. The ball rolled past the cup. No big deal, right? Happens to everyone. But then he missed the comeback putt, and the next one, and the next one. The gallery went silent. His playing partners looked away. This wasn't just missing putts anymore. This was a complete mental breakdown on golf's biggest stage. 6 putts total, all from inside 3 feet. Els walked off that green with a 9 on the scorecard. His confidence was shattered. This moment became golf's most famous putting collapse. It proved that even legends can crumble under pressure. Sometimes the shortest putts are the longest walks in golf.